Hi, good morning everyone. Well, another Monday's here. Hope you had a good weekend. It's been a bit frosty. I've been enjoying the snooker, and I also had a visit to the Straw Bear Festival, which was great fun. So what is today's topic? Renewal, and why is it important? And I've picked this particular photograph because there has been so much turmoil with fires in Australia, with volcanic eruptions, with floods. But the earth can only sustain us if the earth itself can change. So maybe we need to remember this when we have problems changing what we think and what we feel. And the simple answer is you can change that in a second. Just by acknowledging when you're negative thinking, I hate this, and saying, yes, I love it. And these simple things take time to change. Just as if we have earthquakes and fires, it takes time for the earth to renew itself. Well, love to you all. Have a great week. Speak to you on Thursday, unless I think there's anything you should know.